Friends, today we are going to start chapter number 8, Applications of Percentage of Class 7th Mathematics. In this video, we will solve exercise number 8.1. Question number 1, what percent is rupees 5 of rupees 300? Now you have to find out how many percentage will be of rupees 5 of rupees 300. So we have to write 5 by 300 into 100. To calculate the percentage, we have to multiply with 100. Now 0 cancel, this 0 is also cancel. Now you have to divide 5 by 3. So when you will divide, you will get 1.6. That is our answer. Now question number 2, rupees 1 of rupees 16. Now again what we have to do, 1 by 16 into 100. Then you have to solve this, that is 100 by 16. You will get the answer 6.25%. Now for question number 3, rupees 10 of rupees 50. Now 10 by 50 into 100, 1 then 2 with a table of 5, 2 tens are 20, so 20% will be the answer. So like this you have to find out the answer for all the given questions. Now question number 2, decrease the following quantities by 10%. Now you have to decrease the following quantities by 10% for the given value. Question number 1, rupees 3600. Now 3600, we have to find out the 10% of the given number. So 10%, that is 10 by 100, multiply by the given value. So this 0 to this 0 cancel and this one. So what will be the remaining? That is 360. So 360 is the 10% of 3600. Now we have to subtract 3600 minus 360. You will get 3240. So this will be the 10% decrease value for the given quantity which is given in the question. Now question number 2, 10% of 9000. So you have to find out first the 10% of 9000. You will get 900. Okay, so 900 is the 10% of rupees of 9000 scooters. So 9000 scooter minus 900, you will get 8100 scooter. This will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 4, 5 kilogram. Now for 5 kilogram we have to find out the 10%, 6 kilogram. Okay, 6 by 10, that is 0.6 kilogram. Now we have to subtract 6 minus 0.6. You will get 5.4 kilogram. That will be the answer. Now all the answers are given here. You just have to find out the 10% of the given quantity and then you have to decrease from the given value in the question. Now increase the following quantities by 5%. Now in this question you have to increase the quantities by 5%. Now the first question is 17 kilogram. So we will first we will find out the what will be the 5% of 17 kilogram. So 5 by 1000 into 17. Now when you will solve this, you will get 85 by 100 and 0.5, 85 kilogram. Okay, so the 5% will be 0.85 kilogram. So we have to add 17 plus 0.85 kilogram. You will get 17.85 kilogram. That will be the answer. Now for question number 2, rupees 6325. Now first you have to find out the 5% of rupees 6325, and when you will find out, you will get a particular value, that is 316.25 rupees. Now you have to add 6325 plus 316.25. So you will get your answer. Now we will solve Question number third, 21,000 cars. Now first we will find out the 5% of 21,000 cars. 5% of 21,000. Okay. Now you have to multiply them. 5 0 0, 5 1 5 and 5 2 10. So this will be the 5% of 21,000 cars. Now we have to add 21,000 plus 1050. Now we will add 21,000 plus 1050. When you will add them, you will get 22050 cars. This will be the answer. Now here all the answers are given here. You just have to increase the 5% of the given quantities, and then you have to add the given value or the 5% of the quantities. Now question number 4. Last year Madhu's salary was 6,800, which was increased by 4%, while Radha's salary was 5,900, which was increased by 6%. Who has more salary now and how much more? Okay, so first we will find out what will be the 4% increase of this value. So we will find out 4% of 6,800. You will get 272. Okay, now we will add 6800 plus 272. We will get 7072. This will be the increased salary of Madhu. Now we will find out what is the increased salary of Radha. So the Radha's salary was 5,900. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the 6% increased salary of 5,900. So we will find out 6% of 5,900. You will get 354. So this is the 6% of 5,900. Now we will add 5,900 plus 354. We will get 6254. Now you can see the Radha increased salary is 7,072 and Madhu's salary increased salary is 7,072 and the increased salary of Radha is 6,254. Now we will find out the difference between them. So that is 818. Now you can easily write the Madhu has more salary by Radha, that is rupees 818. Now question number 5. In the same manner you have to solve. 6. Meena was carrying 8 dozen eggs to the market to sell. On the way 18 eggs broke. Write the percentage of the broken eggs and eggs she should sell. Now the total number of eggs 6 dozen. In 1 dozen there is 12 quantity. So 72 eggs are there. Now the 18 are broke. So we have to find out how many are the remaining egg. That is 54. Now we will find out the percentage of broken egg, and the eggs could sell. So the percentage of broken egg, that will be 18 by 72 into 100, because 72 is the total quantity and 18 is the broken egg and 100 is for find out the percentage. So when you will solve this, you will get 25%. Now we will find out the percentage of eggs sold. So what is the remaining egg? That is 54 by 72 into 100. So 75% is the eggs that are sold. Now question number 7. Which is greater percentage, rupees 420 of 96,000 or rupees 550 of rupees 1 lakh? So rupees 420 by 96,000 into 100. Now we will calculate them. When you will calculate, you will get 42 by 96, and when you will solve this, you will get 0.43%. Now next we will find out the percentage of rupees 550 of rupees 1 lakh. So 550 by 1 lakh into 100. 55 by 100. 55 by 100 means 0.55%. So 0.55 or 0.43, which is greater, that is 0.55. It means the percentage of rupees 550 of 1 lakh is greater. Now question number 8. In an exam, Anwar and Fardun scored 68 and 70 marks respectively. In the next exam, Anwar scored 12% more than his earlier score, while Fardun scored 5% more than his earlier score. How much did they score? Now, we will find out the 12% of 68 first. 12%, that is 12 by 100 into 68. When you will solve this, you will get 8.16. So the marks scored in next exam, that is 68 plus 8.16, you will get 76.16. Now we will find out for the Fardun, that is 5% of 70. 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So 70 plus 3.5, that is 73.5. Now the marks scored in next exam of Anwar is 76.6, and the marks scored in next exam for Fardun is 73.5. So we have to first find out the difference. So we will subtract them, you will get 2.66. So Anwar scored 2.66 marks more than the Fardun. Now question number 9. Payal was 120 centimeter tall last year, but now she is 132 centimeter tall. Express her growth in percentage. If she continues this percentage of growth, how tall will she be next year? So what we will do, how much is growth in the height? First we will find out, that is 132 minus 120, that is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the growth. So we will find out first the percentage of growth, that is 12 by 100 in 12 by 120. 12 by 120 into 100, that is 10%. So 10% is the growth. Now height after next year, that is 132 plus 10% of 132, that is 132 plus 13.2, that is 145.2 centimeter. That will be the growth in next year. Now compare 15% of 6,800 and 12% of 7,500. Which is more and by how much? So first we will find out the 15% of 6,800. You will get 1020. Now for the next we will find out 12% of 7,500. You will get 900. Then you have to find out the difference, and you will get that 15% of 6,800 is more by 120. Here we have completed the first exercise of 8.1 chapter number 8. Now in the next video we will solve the next exercise. Till that you have to practice all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.